Hello dear friends! Today I have received my new DT box from Craft O'Clock brand, directly from Poland, and I want to share it with you because again I've got so many beautiful papers. I have two new collections for you to show, and the first one is Bittersweet Heights by Katarzyna, which is just gorgeous. It's romantic, it's watercolor, it's about knights and princesses. Let's see through the papers quickly. All of these beige, pink and greyish tones all together. It's a monochrome fairy tale. Love the papers, love the watercolor effect on them. They're just so gorgeous that I don't even see how I could make them any better with mixed media, which I love, but I'll definitely try. Just check this out. Very beautiful. Little masterpiece. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the 30 x 30 or 12 x 12 inch pad. There is also a smaller pad, which is 20 x 20 centimeters, and a 15 x 15 or 6 x 6 inch pad available. As for the all others Craft O'Clock collections, they are standard sizes. I've also received a sheet with images for cutting, very beautiful figures of knights and princesses. And also within this collection there are two rice papers coming with it. Beautiful ones, and as usual the color chipboard. Just see the images, this is really beautiful. And junk journal extra set. Let's check what's inside. I came to love this junk journal set for the smaller decorative parts and cards which you can just cut out and implement on your projects. They are really convenient to use. Wow. Beautiful. And together with the papers and the decorations, of course, the cover paper comes, and it's again the standard, this elongated size, and really smooth and thick, suitable for the covers of your notebooks and albums. So this is it, the beautiful collection. I'll show you again the name. It's called Bittersweet Heights. Very romantic. But this is just one collection which I've got, and there's another one. Just stay tuned. I'll put this away. And voila, another one. It's in the similar color scheme, which is interesting because usually when the brand sends the papers, they're all different, but this is also grayish and brownish and pink and romantic, but it's a different one. It's called Blooming Retreat, and this is by Karolina Pukowska. Designed by Karolina, and let's just see inside of this paper bag. Oh, come on, doesn't want to come out. So this is different. This is antique sculptures and flowers and all kinds of classic romance and gorgeous design, isn't it? It's just so beautiful. And again, it's vintage, and for shabby chic lovers also would suit very well. Some brighter sheets. This is, I think it can work both ways. It's a complicated design, which is probably would be great without any other additions, but I'll definitely think of something to create out of this. This is just cool. You can cut out the middle part and it's a ready-made decoration, or you just can enrich this layout and create something even more gorgeous. And again, this is beautiful. I like this one. Oh my god, I just love this one. It's gorgeous on both sides. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And again, together with the big pad, of course, the same amount of other decorations come, and these are the smaller square pads, two of them, both with Blooming Retreat papers of different sizes, the color chipboard, and the rice papers, and the junk journal set cards, and the images for cutting, some flowers, and some antique figurines, very beautiful ones. And what I also want to show is the cover paper, of course. The cover paper for this collection looks like this. Charming. And what else I've got in my package was the tracing paper set. And I want to open it because Tracing paper pattern bond is a complicated material. I know that many people don't implement these things in their projects, but actually there are so many possibilities, and the designs are gorgeous. You can just check this out, the antique architectural motifs, and the knights for the previous collection I showed you, with the princesses along, and the music sheet. And what else I have? Okay, I have this one more paper for cutting with beautiful flowers. And I also received the chipboards with the different quotes. And these things are something that you actually need for every project, so this is just great. Thank you, Craft the Clock, for so many beautiful things once again. I hopefully will start creating with them very soon, and I will inspire you with something really new. And stay tuned for my channel for more videos containing Craft the Clock papers. And definitely check Craft the Clock products in the stores in your country and online. And there will be a list of websites you can find Craft the Clock on. Thank you for your attention.